Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon Henschel. I'm your dance professor and I provide you guys with professional grade dance instruction. This is another copywritten emote, so you get to see the video of me dancing with the skin here, but if you want to learn step by step how to smash this emote, click the link in the description box below. It'll take you to the tutorial video where there's no music, but you can learn step by step how to do it. And then come back to this video, practice, try it with me in the skin. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit those noties so you get notified every time I go live or a new video is posted. And hook up your boys, support the channel. Use code DanceProfessor next time you're in the item shop. And if there's any other requests, put them in the comment section. Let me know. I'll stick them on the list and we'll do them here. Until then, we'll see you guys next week. Peace out.